Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a Southwest chicken pasta salad. We're going to start by getting our peppers and onions chopped and diced and shredding our chicken. Next, we're gonna get our corn ready. If you do not have access to fresh corn, you can use a quarter of a can of corn. So we're gonna saute that corn down with some oil and salt and pepper it to taste. Once we get this done, we should have all our ingredients ready to go. And first thing is we're going to add our taco seasoning to our mayonnaise and give that a nice mix. Now we're going to add our pasta, onions, peppers, corn, chicken, and mayonnaise, and add that all to the bowl. We're just mixing our salt and cumin together here before we toss it over everything to flavor the entire bowl. Now that we've got everything in our bowl, we're going to go ahead and mix it all up. This is looking good and yummy, and Jayla's gonna give it a try. What do you say, Jayla? How is it? And thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys next time.